Hello, I'm Safari Sam, and today I'm talking to you about adjectives. Adjectives are words that give us more information about nouns. They help make sentences more meaningful and specific. Let's take a look at this sentence. I see a dog. That sentence just gives us the basic information, and it's not very interesting. But if I want to make it more meaningful and specific, I would put adjectives to give more information about the dog. I could say, I see a big brown dog. Adding adjectives like big and brown to sentences make what you're trying to say more specific and interesting. Now I know that the dog is big and not small. I also know the dog's color is not red but brown. Let's make the sentence "the bear jumped" more specific and interesting. I will add the adjectives small and black. The small black bear jumped. Using those adjectives gave more information about the bear. It made it more interesting. Yes! Adjectives work with other parts of language to help us say important things to others in reading, writing, and speech. I'm Safari Sam, and that's adjectives.